Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can fade in and fade out your music in CapCut. So I'm just going to press new project and I'm just going to select a random video. Let's see, there's a lot of cat videos. I'm just going to use this one and I'm just going to press add. And I'm going to extract the audio from that video. And to fade in and out an audio, you are just going to select on that audio. You have to click on it, okay? And you are just going to press fade. As you can see, there is a fade button and you're just going to press that. And you are going to select the fade in duration. And as you can see, there's like this sort of two lines, and you can see like how much you faded in, and you can also see by the duration over here, maybe around 4.7 seconds. I'm not going to be showing the audio because I don't want to get copyrighted, but to fade out, you're going to do the same thing, fade out duration, as you can see right here. But that is basically it. That's how you can fade in and fade out audio in CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!